Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting SVG files to PNG files. You can see I have a SVG file in my folder. It's one SVG and there is a second one. Yeah, I can open them by default in Windows with Edge. But I will download application and convert them into PNG. Um, um, I will download it from my website. This is my website. I will leave link on this site into description. To find app, I will click on search and type SVG to PNG. And I need this convert page. Then I click on SVG to PNG download and wait until archive will be downloaded on my computer. I'll be recording more videos on SVG converters and image converters, so if you are interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Alright, we are waiting for archive to be downloaded. You can see archive has been downloaded on my computer. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive and click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes and click finish on final screen, and you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this and this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we'll have to select our SVG files we would like to convert. I'll click to navigate input file, go to my pictures and select these two files. I can do, if I hold shift, I can select multiple files to it, or I can add more files like this. And because I selected the same one, so it's only two. But if I have more files into folder, I can add them as many files as I want to. Click on next step. There are no conversion options here yet, so I'll just click next step, and on final step I'll click run to start conversion. It's asking me for location of the file. Basically it's asking me for folder where to create PNG files. I will click on my pictures. Also I can go and subfolders if I'd like to, but in this case I just place them into my pictures, click on OK. And you can see file has been converted. Let's go and see file there on pictures. So there are two files, one from logo SVG and one from home hero SVG. You can see they have been successfully converted with preserving transparency as well. Transparency has been preserved and files has been converted. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.